Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's emotional state following his recent surgery. He seems to be experiencing symptoms of depression.
That's concerning, Mihira. Depression can be a common side effect of surgery, especially after a major procedure. It's important to address his emotional well-being.
He's been isolating himself and expressing feelings of sadness and hopelessness. I've tried to provide emotional support, but I think he might benefit from professional counseling.
That's a good idea. We can refer him to a mental health professional who can provide appropriate counseling and support.
I'm also worried about his medication. He's taking pain medication, which can sometimes contribute to depression.
Mihira, we should review his medication regimen and consider adjusting the dosage or switching to a different medication if necessary.
I'll schedule a meeting with Mr. George to discuss his feelings and explore the available options.
Mihira, I can see you're managing a lot right now, and I want you to know we're here to support you every step of the way. Your health and safety are our top priorities. If you notice any changes in how you're feeling, especially if you experience new or worsening symptoms like dizziness that makes you unsteady, pain that doesn't go away, any signs of infection like redness, swelling, or fever, or if you just feel something isn't quite right, I strongly encourage you to contact your GP immediately. They're your partner in care and can help adjust your treatment to keep you comfortable and safe. I also want to talk about preventing falls because keeping you safe and independent is so important. Small precautions can make a big difference. Things like making sure your walking path at home is clear, using proper lighting at night, wearing shoes with good support, and having grab bars installed where needed. Would it help if we scheduled regular check-ins to review these safety measures together? Remember, reaching out for help isn't a sign of weakness. It's a smart way to stay in control of your health. We're here to support you in living your fullest, safest life. How does all of this sound to you?